Hello. Hello YouTube. Welcome to a new video where it's what do you call it? It's kind of like Tuber Simulator, but this game is more clicky. And you need way more strategy than Tuber Simulator. Anyways, I recommend this game to those of you that play Tuber Simulator. And I hope you enjoyed this video, so let's go. Anyways, I also started this game already, if you guys are wondering. And I have lots of money and stuff. And today I'll be doing the super challenge. Super challenge. Because I'm gonna have to pause it and watch the side. Okay, no ad came out at all, so whatever. So I was doing this means I was trying to get this up to 50. But I need to. I get some to this is gonna be a long series special, guys. It will be. So when I'm able to get the next upgrade to my bit miner, I will unpause the video. So bye. Okay, guys, that took a while for me. For you, that was like literally only 1 second. The lit up that does nothing at all. Yeah, 1.6. If they don't drop me, Oh, I know I'm not talking a lot. Sorry, guys. Just that I'm really like focused on typing so much. Been quiet for so long. Dang. just wanted to show you guys something. Right now, so we're gonna cancel out of this game. Usually, I'll be doing like a video on 2 games, and one that I really wanted to show you guys was actually Pokemon Go. But I'm really bad at it because I really have no data, so I cannot walk around. And tell me, leave in the comments or just tell me, like, that if you need Wi-Fi or data to play Pokemon Go, because I know it doesn't work for me. I don't know why you need any of that crap, because, some people don't have data, and I don't have data, so. Anyways, I was just, that was it, presently. Let me show you how bad I am at Pokemon Go. That's how bad I am at Pokemon Go. Let me show you. Let me pause it. See what's my Pokemon? You want my Pokemon? Bro. Not even a freaking, and my guy's doing invisible. So yeah, that's practically it about the video, and I'll see you next time. And I might play Pokemon Go. Depends if like it only was one time for me because of like Wi-Fi. Working and yeah, all this crazy stuff and crap. Well, I don't even know. Yeah. Honestly, I'm not a good friends, but I have to go to yellow. Oh no. No! Well guys, I'm coming back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is my character now, and I just hope that you enjoyed this video. Also, become Billionaire and my preview of Pokemon Go. I might start doing this series if you're able to be playing offline, like I said earlier.